Hey, so I see you like clicking on ads and earning free money. That's great. Woo! I love free money too. We are both one and the same. So what I want to show you is how to make even more free money while using paid-to-click sites. What if I could show you 4 free, simple, fast, and easy steps you can do right now that will add to this income you're already clicking towards, making you more money without you ever having to change anything you're already doing. Would you be interested? What if I told you that after learning these 4 free, easy steps, you would start getting instant, unlimited $20 payments straight to your PayPal daily, absolutely free? Keep watching or open this in a new window and bookmark this right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss the rest of this video as I tell you my 4 simple steps and walk you through everything right here. After this video, you will know my exact free, secret 4 steps to earning even more free money than you're already making.